If someone told you dropshipping isn't an easy business, that it is such rated and hard to succeed in, well my friend, I've made this much pure profit in 1 month by selling someone else's product on my own website, which is known as a successful and profitable dropshipping business. If you want to do the same, then watch this video all the way to the end because I'll show you my personal method to run a profitable dropshipping business. Watching this video will show you what mistakes to avoid so you don't lose your money. It also teaches you what to do every day to stay motivated and keep making money even when things are hard. These are the 5 steps I always follow. Choose your niche, find a good supplier, research the product, design your website, and promote your products. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor PRBoost.io. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, PR Boost gets your business featured on top news sites like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on badge. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with PR Boost, link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. If you are new to dropshipping and do not know how to do a niche or product research, watch this whole video before you start. When I start a new dropshipping business, I first research the niche. I test it in different ways. First, I use Google Trends to check niche popularity. If I see ads for beauty product or things about selling car accessories, I search them on Google Trends to see if people are interested and how that interest changes over time. I also use keyword research tool to see how many people search for a keyword and how much competition it has. You can use tools like SEMrush, Moz, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, or any other alternative. After that, I look for the right dropshipping supplier. If you search on Google, you'll find many dropshipping suppliers, but only few are really good. I personally use Fulfillment.com as my dropshipping supplier because they offer fast shipping, good product quality, great customer support, and trending products. I always choose supplier with quick delivery. Fulfillment has its own private line. They deliver in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Every customer wants a fast delivery. If your store shows longer delivery time, they might not want to buy from your store. Another reason I choose Fulfillment is their product quality. They have their own warehouse in China, where they keep the product as good as new for customer satisfaction. If you have fast-selling product, you can store it in their warehouse for free. When you get an order, they ship it using their own private line with custom packaging like your logo, flyer, business card, custom boxes, and more. Fulfillment has great customer support with easy return and refund policy. If a customer gets damaged product, they will refund you. If the wrong product is sent, they resend it for free. If a shipment lost, they will refund or resend it for free. If a customer wants to return the product, Fulfillment handles it for you. Fulfillment also offers product photography service to help you get more sale. The best thing is you can integrate Fulfillments with your favorite e-commerce applications like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and more. For product research, you don't need to leave the Fulfillment's website. Just log in, choose your niche, and you'll find viral products every day in their product catalog. It saves your time and allows you to work on other aspects of this business. After you finish niche research and choose your right supplier, which is Fulfillment.com, you need a website to sell your products. If you do not know how to make one, watch my other videos, link in the video description. Building a website takes time, so I'm not covering it in this video. If you want fast option, I recommend Shopify. It starts at $1 per month for 3 months. You can also find a link in the video description. Finally, it's time to promote your product. When I launch a new website and want quick result, I use Facebook ads. Create a Facebook ad manager account, verify your domain, add pixel to track user activity on your store. Create Facebook page and Instagram account as well. It's time to run the conversion ad campaign. I typically create 3 ad sets with minimum budget of $5 to $10 for each, and each ad set contains different audience. I run this campaign for at least 3 days. Now take a look at the following rule for best conversion. On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart, If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase. In my advanced Facebook ad course, I'll show you when to scale your campaign and what is the best CPC for your campaign and so on. Your job is to track your Facebook ad campaign. If any case the campaign doesn't follow the rule, stop it and try different product. By following this rule, you won't lose your money. I'm planning to create a full dedicated video on Facebook ads for dropshipping soon. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss it. So that's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to like the video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.